In this video we can learn that how to do a full payment against that invoice. In the last video we did that partial payment to our supplier Red Ferry. That is a vendor ledger. We paid 50,000 and now the balance amount is 7,800. So now for example we have to pay a full payment. So how to do a full payment in Sage 50? You need to click on the task. In task we have this payment, or you go in the bills and you can also select this pay bills. Both are same. So you need to select the vendor ID first. That is Red Ferry. That is the reference number. Let's suppose the check reference number, whatever the check you are issuing, you can give the reference number, or internal reference number is also there. And that is the date of the check. So let's suppose we are paying on 14th of September because the due date is I guess 12. Yes, the due date is 13. So we are paying on 13 and we are issuing a check from the bank account, that is Dubai Islamic Bank, and that invoice number apply to invoice number is 1009. The due date of this invoice is 13th of September and the balance amount we need to pay against this invoice is 7,800 because in the previous video we pay 15,000 and we have to open invoices. So against this invoice the total balance of this invoice was 14,350, but we pay 6,650 against this invoice. So the remaining balance of this invoice is 7,800. So you can write here that that is a description. Let's suppose I just write here full payment to Red Ferry. Press enter. If there is a discount you can write the amount here manually. Enter. And then we have what is the amount you are paying, you can write here manually in case of a partial payment, but right now we are paying full, so you can check this option payment here because we are doing a full payment. So the total payment we are issuing right now from Dubai Islamic Bank to our this supplier Red Ferry, that is 7,800. Save it. And if you want to check the reports, you can click on the reports and form. In the reports and form we have accounts payable. In accounts payable we have vendor ledgers, and I want to check only the Red Ferry, so that's why I will select this option, and I want to check for the next month because we are doing a payment in the next month, and that is a vendor name ID, that is Red Ferry, and then press OK. So we have the first two invoices 43,350 and 14,450. These are the two invoices. The total balance become 57,800. that was a payable balance, and then we paid up the first payment, that is of 50,000, that is a partial payment, and the balance becomes 7,800. And then on 13th of September we made another partial payment, that is 7,800, and the balance becomes 0 now. So there is no payable balance for this Red Ferry. We pay against that invoices full. So that is how you will do a full payment against an invoice.